So hey guys, we got this drone to add more content to the YouTube channel for Fix-A-Fence LLC. Here's my cameraman and drone pilot Dave, but he put me at the controls since this is our first time flying it, because we've been doing everything we can to try to watch and get it, because you're a beginner. I got to watch all these YouTube videos too in order to figure out what's going on. I mean, my goodness. But yeah, we had to upgrade to a 5G phone. Now we know how to get it all hooked up through the app and through the Wi-Fi, and here we are, test flight, man. So I'm not too stable at it. We got to remember it's my first time, but you know what? We're gonna figure this thing out, and we're gonna bring new content to the Fix-A-Fence channel. I'm gonna get some close-up shots of the guys working with the drone, whatever, but. Dave and I, we got this thing figured out, and I just wanted to let you know, hey, yeah, we got a drone. Now I'm setting it down, and anyway, and I'm going to set this down. You guys have a great day. Fix a Fence LLC, mending broken fences.